So guys, I just want to show you what comes in our kit of a Suzuki Swift model. So you've got your trimming tools here to take out the head unit, 20-pin lead, more of the right attachment that goes into our head unit over here. This is for your reverse camera, your GPS, antenna, and your USB ports. And obviously here we have the actual head unit itself. Hey guys, today we'll be doing a head unit upgrade for a Suzuki Swift 2011 model. So I'm just going to go through, show you guys on how to do it. Just grab your trimming tools, so trimming tool, any of these like here. Pop the top of it, like so. As you can see, it can come off quite easily. So you can take out these as well. You see here, I've already removed them. 2 screws that come up to here on the edge of your head unit, these 2 here. So what you do is you unscrew them. I've already done it in this case, and all you have to do is pop, see as it comes out, pop this off. After your head unit comes out, and then what you want to do, so here you go, all the cables here. I've already taken them out, but you get the idea of the antenna. So you just take out all the cables. The older models sometimes. So once you've unplugged everything, obviously there's not much in this model. Yeah, you've got your old cables like your antenna and your 20-pin plug over here. So here guys, obviously you've got your 20-pin lead with all your attachment that will go into our head unit over here. So what you need to do is basically this bit here. You connect it to the old cable. You hear like a click, so here that's plugged in. And then for this one, the grey one over here will match with this one. That's pretty much done. So obviously here we've got the head unit that's going to go in. This is the back of it here. So what you need to do is basically just mix and match. You see the 20-pin bit will go into here. This one over here. And then this is for your antenna. So this will go into your antenna bit. So you can see here, it's all connected up. So now we'll be connecting up your reverse camera video feed if we had to have a reverse camera installed. So here we have our USB ports and our mic for the off-market mic. So what you'll do here, you'll use this pin here and plug it in the back. As you can see, it's plugged in, and if you want, you can run these guys through the back there. This here is our GPS. You gotta make sure this here is stuck up onto the top of a dashboard and make sure nothing is obstructing it, so you can get the signal. In this case, obviously I've taken it out, but it will be stuck to this bit of a dashboard here. So what you need to do is connect this little bit here, and you screw it onto the GPS pin where it's located. So it's right here, that little gold one here, my finger is. All you need to do is screw that in. So once everything hooked in, you just turn it on to see if it has power, which it does over here. So as you can see, it's clearly working. Everything has got power to it. Making sure everything works. Okay, so now what we'll do is I'll show you guys on how to connect it to the Bluetooth. So you're just going to, let's show back again. So you're just going to this icon here, where it says Bluetooth. Go on to there. We'll just connect it to my phone for now. So you press search, and then you also lose iPhone off my phone. We'll connect it up that way. And it should connect. So there you go, it's all connected there. So now what you'll do, if let's say we want to try Apple CarPlay, you'll go onto apps here, and then you have to find the app called SpeedPlay. Trying to find where that is. Zero. So here we're just gonna see if the radio works. So we'll just pick a channel. So wish right now. It's clear working, everything's working in order. So down for a bit. So guys, here you have your head unit here. I'm just going to quickly show you guys how to go to CarPlay. What you do is you go onto the apps and you go on Z-Link, and then because my phone's already connected up, it will just connect it straight away to CarPlay. So obviously instead of SpeedPlay, this will have Z-Link. And there you have it, guys. So this is the finished product. It's already all installed in, all flashed as you can see, and it's ready for use. I just want to quickly show you guys for the buttons over here and how to program it here. So what you got to do is go into the apps and you go into the app called Wheel Study. As you can see, all the commands are there, but if you click one of the buttons, basically a little screen should come up, like it is there, and you can click what you want it to do. So if you go back to where we were, so now see, you're clicking the buttons and it's all working just fine. There you go.